Good afternoon, friends. Myself Jansai Kishore from Nauka Institute. Today, I will teach Standard 12 Science English subject. So, first of all, I will start the paper style of English subject. Total marks is 100, and in this science stream there are two parts. Part A, MCQ 50 marks, and part B, question answers, essay, idioms, grammatical points, email writing, application, speech writing, etc. So first of all we'll start part A. The first question comes from the prose Flamingo. In this Flamingo chapters there is a MCQ 20 marks. Now poetry MCQ from the Flamingo, that is a 10 marks. Then the other book Vistas, that is a supplementary book from the Vistas, lessons MCQ 5 marks, and then language grammar, that is a 15 marks. So here 50 marks comes to MCQ. Now part B, that is divided into 5 sections: section A, section B, section C, section D, and section E. Each section has a 10 marks each. So part B also comes to 50 marks. So we'll start in part B, the section A, question answer from prose. The name of the book is Flamingo. There is a question answer from the prose from the Flamingo books. There is a 10 marks. The next section B, question answer from poetry. The same book Flamingo, 6 mark. Then question answer from supplementary reading, Vistas book. In the Vistas book there are 8 chapters. From the 8 chapters they will ask you only 4 marks here and 5 marks here. So that means from the whole book of Vistas only 9 marks will come. So in section B, question from the poetry Flamingo and question from the supplementary reading Vistas, 4 marks. This total comes to 10 marks. Now section C. In section C, the first question, idioms and phrases. That means here one sentence will given and there are 3 options below the question. You have to put right word in right place. That is called idioms and phrases, 3 marks. This comes to from the Flamingo. The next question is direct indirect speech. That is a 4 marks. And the next question, error correction. Error correction, that is a 3 marks. That means section C also comes to 10 marks. So here section A 10 marks, section B 10 marks, section C 10 marks. Now see the section D. In section D, the first question comes to data interpretation. That means there is a one graph or in a picture will give you. You have to explain. You have to write down about the picture or a data or paragraph paraphrasing. Okay. In place of picture description or data interpretation, you have to write down the paraphrases. That is an unseen poem. You have to write down the paraphrase. So that is a 5 marks. Now next question, email writing. The email writing also 5 marks, so total 10 marks. Section D. Now the last section, section E. The first question, job application. In job application there is only 4 marks, and last जो क्वेश्चन है that is essay writing or speech writing. So you can select essay or you can write down the speech, whatever you like. So that is 6 mark. So section E, job writing application 4, and essay writing or speech writing 6 marks. So total 10 marks. So here section A, section B, section C, section D and section E all are 10 marks, that means 50 marks, and part A, that is the MCQ questions, so that is 50 marks. So 50 and 50, that is total comes to 100 marks. So this is your paper style. I hope you will understand this thing very clearly. Thank you very much.